Hello everyone, this is Discord Limited Tutorials Part 7, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to get the new Discord Valorant avatar decoration, the Wingman Boba. If you haven't noticed already, Discord just released this new avatar decoration for the Valorant game, and simply all you have to do to get it is to play Valorant on either the PlayStation, the Xbox, or on your PC. So all you have to do to get this quest is go onto your gift inventory tab here, and then click on the Valorant quest, and then click on the top right corner here, and click Get Game. Then it will bring you to a Play Valorant link, and once you're there, you'll be brought to the main Valorant website, and all you click is the Play for Free button in the middle. You'll sign in with your Riot account, and then they will get you to install the Riot client. Once you install the Riot client, it'll look something like this when you open it up, and then all you're going to do is sign into your Riot Games account here. Then all you're going to do is install the Valorant app on the Riot client here. In the meantime, while it's installing, you could accept the quest on the gift inventory, and then once you click accept, there'll be a claim reward option, but you cannot claim it until you have played Valorant for 15 minutes on either your desktop or connected console. And as you can see, there is a progress bar here, so right now it's at 0%, and once we start playing, then the percentage will go up. As well as there's a button to check for launches, to check if you have launched Valorant or not, if you are having issues and you've already launched Valorant, but it's for some reason not picking that up. Then once Valorant's installed, you'll simply open the game, and once you launch the game, the progress bar will start to climb, and once it is full, then you can claim the reward by clicking the Claim Reward button. Then you will get the new Discord Wingman Boba avatar decoration through your Discord profile, and just to note, this is only available for 2 months, so once you do claim it, you'll only be able to wear it for 2 months, and then it will be removed from your Discord account. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and hopefully this helped you out. I know it was pretty straightforward, and it was a shorter tutorial this time, but I want to get this out there as it is brand new, and it is available to all people, and I know a lot of people play Valorant, so I bet a lot of people will want to get this free Discord avatar decoration for the Discord account. And as well, make sure to join the Discord server. It'll be in the link in the description. We are 3 subscribers away, as opposed to this video, to 250, and once we do hit that 250 goal, I will be hosting our first Nitro Premium giveaway in the giveaways channel on my Discord server. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. And please leave suggestions on my Discord server for future videos that I'd like to see. I'm getting plenty of suggestions lately, so I can't wait to make videos on those. And once again, see you guys in the next tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed the short one. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.